Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing both Samsung phones for the data transfer process. Charge both phones to at least 50% before you begin transferring data. Update the system software on each device so transfers run smoothly. Install Samsung Smart Switch from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store on both phones. Sign into the same Google account on both phones to simplify restoring apps and contacts. Connect both phones to the same Wi-Fi network for wireless transfers, or have a USB-C cable ready for wired transfer. Choose the transfer method that matches your needs and data size. Use Smart Switch Wireless when both phones are on the same Wi-Fi network for convenience. Select the wired USB-C connection if you are moving large files or more than 10 GB of data. If your old device requires an OTG adapter, connect via USB-C and OTG following on-screen prompts. Alternatively, use Google Account Restore to recover contacts, calendar events, and app purchases automatically. Confirm the transfer type and tap Start on the sending phone to begin moving data. After the transfer completes, verify that all important data arrived on the new phone. Open photos, contacts, messages, and apps to confirm file counts and content match your expectations. Sign into each account on the new phone and re-enable two-factor authentication for security. Check app-specific data, such as chat backups and saved game progress, to ensure integrity. If everything is present, remove accounts from the old phone and perform a factory reset to erase personal data. Finally, create a fresh backup on the new phone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.